Welcome to China, a land of ancient civilizations, soaring peaks, and landscapes so unreal they defy imagination. In this journey, we're exploring the 7 most jaw-dropping mountain worlds you absolutely must experience in 2025, brought to life in stunning 4K. From floating sandstone pillars to snow-clad peaks towering above cloud seas, these are the natural wonders that define China's wild heart and sacred spirit. 1. Zhangjiajie, the real Avatar Mountains. Our journey begins in Zhangjiajie, Hunan Province, a place that looks as if it was plucked straight out of a fantasy film. Here, thousands of towering sandstone pillars rise like ancient sentinels from a sea of clouds, earning this mystical land the reputation as the real Avatar Mountains. These surreal formations are part of the Wulong Scenic Area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for landscapes so dramatic they seem to float between heaven and earth. Each pillar, carved by millions of years of erosion, stands as a testament to nature's power and artistry. From Tianzi Mountain's panoramic viewpoints to the dizzying heights reached by the world-famous glass bridges and cliffhanger walkways, Zhangjiajie delivers views that will take your breath away, literally and metaphorically. Here, every turn reveals a new panoramic masterpiece, mist wrapped around stone towers, cliffs disappearing into velvet gray skies, and sunlit ridges glowing gold at dawn and dusk. 2. Huangshan, China's legendary Yellow Mountain. Next, we travel east to the iconic Yellow Mountain, also known as Huangshan, hailed for centuries as the #1 mountain under heaven. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is celebrated for its dramatic granite peaks, ancient wind-shaped pines, and the legendary Sea of Clouds that rolls through its valleys like an ocean suspended between heaven and earth. Early Chinese artists and scholars revered Huangshan for its rare combination of geological grandeur and poetic atmosphere, creating images that inspired brushstrokes, poems, and dreams alike. Here, the paths are carved into stone, and every step brings a new wonder. Bizarre rock formations with evocative names like Flying Over Rock, welcoming pines clinging tenaciously to cliffsides, and viewpoints that seem designed by a painter's instinct. Whether you catch it under a veil of mist or bathed in golden sunrise light, Huangshan is a timeless world where nature and spirit converge. 3. Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, the snow-crowned giant of Yunnan. In southwest China's Yunnan province rises a colossal spectacle, Jade Dragon Snow Mountain. Standing tall above the ancient city of Lijiang, this mountain range is crowned with snow year-round, its highest peak piercing the sky at over 5,500 meters above sea level. Approach it at dawn, and you'll see a world bathed in crystal light. Glaciers glint like jewels, frozen ridges stretch farther than the eye can see, and alpine forests cling to recesses carved by time and wind. For many travelers, Jade Dragon Snow Mountain is an invitation to step into a raw, untamed mountaintop realm, where each ridge feels closer to the heavens, and each valley whispers of ancient stories etched by time. This is not only a playground for adventurers, it's a sanctuary for the soul, a place that rewards explorers with unforgettable panoramas and a quiet that feels sacred. 4. Zhangye Danxia, Rainbow Mountains of Gansu. Color-rich hills glowing in sunlight, close-ups of layered stripes in reds, oranges, yellows, and purples. Slow time-lapse of shadows shifting on the mountains. Prepare to enter a realm that looks almost unreal, the Zhangye Danxia landform in Gansu province. These mountains are famous for their vivid, rainbow-like colors, where bands of red, gold, and violet stretch across rugged ridges like paint brushed by nature itself. Unlike typical snow-capped peaks, the Rainbow Mountains captivate with their palette of colors, created by millions of years of tectonic activity and sedimentary processes. Walking alongside these color-stratified ridges feels like stepping into a dreamscape, and no photography or memory can truly do justice to the brilliance of these forms. Sunrise and sunset are the moments of magic here, with shifting shadows that bring out every hue and contour in a kaleidoscope of earth tones. It's a landscape that feels alive, vibrant, and sacred all at once. 5. Mount Lu, the sacred misty giant. Journeying south, we come to Mount Lu, located in Jiangxi province, a mountain world shrouded in mist, history, and spiritual significance. Known for its steep peaks that pierce the low clouds and its serene landscapes dotted with temples and ancient academies, Mount Lu has long been a center of spiritual pilgrimage, artistic inspiration, and philosophical reflection. Here, emerald waterfalls tumble into jade-green valleys, and labyrinths of forest trails wind between sacred retreats and stone pathways etched by centuries of footsteps. The mountain is also steeped in cultural heritage, from Buddhist and Taoist temples to landmarks of Confucian learning, making it a destination where nature and human history intertwine in a sacred embrace. Whether you seek solitude, reflection, or simply a moment in nature's grand cathedral, Mount Lu offers an unforgettable encounter. 6. Danxia Mountain, China's red stone wonderland. Next on our mountain odyssey is another geological marvel, Danxia Mountain in Guangdong province. Often overshadowed by more famous sites, this landscape deserves the spotlight for its dramatic, red sandstone cliffs and curving valleys like nowhere else on Earth. This is a mountain world painted in earth tones of fiery red, ochre, and gold, carved through ages by wind and water. Peaks rise in unusual shapes, deep canyons beckon exploration, and every ridge offers a different angle of breathtaking beauty. And it's not just the rocks. River cruises through narrow valleys reveal reflections and light plays that double the splendor of the terrain, while sunrise at Elder Peak bathes the entire region in warm, glowing hues. From photographers to nature lovers and geology enthusiasts, Danxia Mountain is a destination that rewards curiosity and wonder. 5. Wulong Fairy Mountain, the Alpine Dreamscape. Our final destination is a highland paradise, Wulong Fairy Mountain, part of Chongqing Municipality, where the alpine world meets fairy tale beauty. Here, peaks reach over 2,100 meters, creating cool mountain air and landscapes that feel like a dream woven from mist and forest. River valleys carve through limestone formations, while grasslands and dense pine forests stretch to the horizon. Wulong's scenic beauty is a harmony of contrasts: airy plateaus beside deep ravines, drifting fog over sunlit slopes, tranquil fields next to limestone cliffs, all combining to form an unforgettable alpine tapestry. This is the perfect place for those who yearn for quiet exploration, panoramic hikes, and an intimate encounter with nature's vastness. From ethereal sandstone forests to snow-crowned giants, from color-stratified ridges to sacred misty peaks, China's mountain worlds are some of the most extraordinary landscapes on Earth. These 7 destinations, each unique, each awe-inspiring, are must-visit wonders for any traveler in 2025 seeking beauty, adventure, and a deep connection with nature's greatest creations. Whether you're chasing sunrise above a sea of clouds or standing at the summit of a peak that feels closer to the stars, the mountains of China promise memories that will last a lifetime. If this journey has inspired you to explore further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cinematic travel experiences in 4K. And tell us in the comments which of these mountain worlds is at the top of your bucket list.